Women are very easy to understand, but people make it look like they are very difficult to figure out. So in this video, I want to tell you the 3 things every woman wants from a man. Take note of these 3 things and use it as an advantage to improve your dating game. Number 1, they want you never to get complacent. Women can't stand a man who becomes comfortable with just how much he has achieved, regardless of how far you've gone. They want to see you working continuously and getting even better. What a regular guy does is to work hard, make money, go to the gym every day because he wants to attract a girl. When he finally gets the girl, he doesn't work as hard as he used to. This is not the type of guy you should be, and it's also not attractive to most girls. This is the easiest way to lose a girl. Just because you've gotten her doesn't mean the game is over. You have to keep working on yourself and keep getting better to maintain her interest in you. This doesn't just apply to your job, but also how well you maintain the relationship. When you first got the girl, you gave her experiences that made the relationship very interesting for her. But as time goes on, you stop doing those things that made her attracted to you. You become complacent and tired. This should not be the case. If you want to keep a woman's interest high, you can't get complacent. Getting her is not the end. You have to keep working on yourself and do other things that will maintain her interest. Go to the gym. Spend time working on your finances. Improve your fashion. Work on your skin. Maintain your masculine frame and be in control of your relationship. Fix every aspect of your life and never stop working on it. Don't be complacent if you want to maintain any woman's interest. Number 2, women want to be uncertain about where they stand with you. Women get easily bored in a relationship. What stimulates their emotions and keeps them attracted to you is the emotional roller coaster they experience. If you want a girl to be addicted to you, you must not tell her where she stands in your life. This turns them on, and they love it. Women love to chase, so not making their place certain makes you mysterious and gives her something to chase. If a woman is not chasing you, then she is chasing somebody else. They love the chase, so you must always give her something to chase. Once you make her certain about where she stands in your life, you've killed all mystery and fun. It becomes uninteresting for her, and she begins to look for that excitement elsewhere. Women are hypergamists. They want the best man in every circle or environment. So when you make them certain of where they stand in your life, you have communicated to their subconscious that you are not high value. So she looks for a better and more masculine guy outside who would be brave enough to keep her in an uncertain state while she keeps chasing his validation. Women want to chase you. They want to be uncertain where they stand in your life. With this, you give her something to chase and fight for. Number 3, women want you to walk away. Women are hypergamous. They always want the best guy out there. So to be sure, they've made the right decision, settling for you. They will subconsciously test you. They will test your masculinity and hope you don't fail or let down your masculinity for her. Once you do, she loses attraction for you. But if you maintain your frame and your stand, you become more attractive to her. Women will test you to know if you can walk away from the relationship or if you will come back begging, like a schoolboy, begging for a piece of cake, once she sees that you don't mind walking away and don't care so much about the relationship. She gets more attracted to you. She becomes more feminine, respectful, and loyal. This is why you should not be emotionally attached to any girl. Detach yourself emotionally from the relationship and be ready to leave. If she disrespects you or does not play according to your rules, once a woman knows, you can walk away anytime. She becomes more attracted and attached to you. These are the 3 things every woman wants in a man. And if you incorporate these 3 important points into your dating game, no woman will ever have a thought of leaving you. If you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you'll be among the first to get great content like this whenever we post one. See you in our next video.